Hey friends, Uncle Mark here again. We've got a customer complaint. Well, the wife, and that's the customer you want to keep happy. Her 2010 Dodge Caravan, well, it's pretty cold out now, and the interior fan is making some noise. Take a listen. It's Uncle Mark here again. Long time no see, I know. You can hear it making the noise. Anyway, we're gonna take this off from under here. Let's just see how that comes out. I think it's just clipped in here somehow. I can feel a clip here. See if we can see them. I'll move the light under here, just so you know where they are. Clip on this side, and so this hinges to the clip right there. You can see, right? And then where the hinges on this side. It's clip there, trying to look through the viewfinder. Ideally, if you can pull those off, that would be ideal. With something, I'm going to get something. Guess we can shut this off. I'm going to use door panel tool, anything I guess that has an end like that. Let's see if I can just hook these without breaking them. Guess if you broke them, you could always get some more at a car place. It is cold, even in here. I don't know how easy these are going to come out. Guess maybe you could grab them with some vice grips or something. They're going to be stubborn. I'm tempted to take this out, but I don't really want to. I'm stubborn. Sometimes stubbornness is not a good thing. Wow. All right, that came out. And did this one come out too? Rip. No, it's a split piece. Wow. I can feel it. And it's not much warmer in the garage here than it is outside, so sure wants to fight me. Where's the motor there? I don't know what. There's one at the back here too. Can I get it without it came out. Oh my. Well, you see what we did? That'll teach me. Ouch. Whoa. It is so cold, I guess I shouldn't have done that. Well, it's my wife's fan, so she's going to have to live with it, I guess. You know what? I think that's going to be kind of important what broke off of there. I'll show you. This piece that broke off actually belongs there, which is part of this air tube, so we're going to have to fill that with something or put some tape on it. Man, that's why it's good to see somebody else make the mistakes first. Okay, now that we're back in here, so the front has these stupid clips, which is okay. And you know why we broke the back off? Oh man, who designs this stuff? You see right there, it's a screw. And there's going to be another one back here too. I can feel it. So anyway, it looks like it's a Phillips or some kind of small, what would you call that? Both off, or down. I think there's one more in the back here. I'm gonna have to go warm them up for a couple minutes, then come back. Now I'm bleeding. Like now after a little bit of medical. So I noticed I got it here pretty good, but look at this. That's how sharp that stuff is. Yuck. I have to stop that too. Let's take this off first without breaking it. Probably should test that first if you have a if it's not working. This one is working, it's just squeaking. I'll try and get this off without causing too much trouble. Oh boy, everything is just cheap plastic here. It's just gonna want to break off. Yep. I can just imagine the comments. Of course, it's probably going to be from guys that never did this before. Okay, now we're cooking with gas. I don't know if you can see where these are under here, but I'll do my best. Just doing impossible to show you under here. This is a screw up here. There's one back here, and then there's one way over on this other side. Maybe do the back ones first, do these ones last, and it can hang out this way. It's a T something or other. I don't know if it's a T12 or a T. I'll let you know as I do it here. I tried a whole bunch of stuff and I ended up using this old snap-on Torx that I had from way back when I was a youngin'. Working at a Volkswagen dealership. Oh, this is not going to be easy, is it? Well, it's coming. These are good. You got some pills or whatever. These are good for dropping your screws in, then you won't lose them. Pretty hard to lose that after. I just got one more bolt to take out. Just give me another minute here. All right. Okay, spared you guys taking the bolts out, or screws. They're actually screws. This should just come out. And it looks like that's what it's gonna do. Anyway, that's what it looks like. what we could do, you probably should do, is just check these if you've had trouble. Well, let's do that. Get my test meter. Push the tab down. See this right there. Push it. Pull this out. Wow. You could just back probe that and see what you got for voltage there. Again, talk about. Anyway, we should just be able to back probe this. I hope. Actually, you could do that then with it on. Does it have any voltage here? Must have something. Maybe these things don't go far enough in. Need to get proper probe is what I need. Let's try this now. Goodness sake, huh? So what I've done is I've attached those two cables on there. There's got to be something coming out of here. Ron. So, touch these two. You can see we've got voltage coming here. So we know that if your fan wasn't working but you had power here, then it is the fan. But if there's no power there, then it's something else. Don't bother replacing the fan. I'll drop a little bit of my turbine oil in here because that's where the bearing is. I don't know if it's gonna help at all or not. I can't get at the top one. You can see though that it, where the oil is here, it's moving. Can I get to where you want? Not really sure. I'm thinking it's the bearing further down in here, but I'd like to take the whole thing apart. This usually has like a little clip or something on here, and this one doesn't, so I am scared to even try and mess with it. I'm just going to run a little bit of stuff in here and just hope that it's enough. So what it looks like to me, I don't know. If you end up trying to lube this, try and lube away on an angle like this inside there, because it looks like the whole thing kind of moves. It seems to be better now that I've lubed it a little bit, and this is something I've noticed too. Can you see right here? This guy right here? Is this like a little metal weight or something? None of the other ones have it. Just that one. So don't knock that off or lose it. Like I say, this should have a C-clipper or some kind of one of those things that you can pull off, but I think it's maybe a friction fit. I don't want to break it because these are, I don't know, $100 or more, so maybe $200. I'm just gonna throw it back in there. Actually, I'm gonna let it run on its side again for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna put her back together. So if you have a screw here, better not lose. That won't be good. Oh, and we have to remember too, remember that piece I broke up in here? we're gonna tape that up, and then summertime, when it's a little warmer out, I am gonna try and glue the piece. Okay, I've plugged it back in. We're just gonna see if we can get this thing to run. Just on its side for a little bit and see if we can get the oil to go where it needs to go. It's got some torque. Whew, it's cold. We've got her back in place. Don't forget to put this guy back, snap this guy back in here. Should just snap in that hole. There you go. Pull the wire up. For those of you that haven't broken this piece off, and you see my tape for now till it gets warm because it's really cold. I'm just going to sit it back up there. This goes into this hole here, easy enough. Boy, it sure goes in a lot easier than it came out. And then this guy should just, wow, in there. Well, should work. And if we turn the key on, nice and quiet. I guess we'll call that a fix, even though I broke something. Guess we're done as gonna be. I wanted to use my new little toy here for a little while, but let's hook some leads up to this thing. We know it works, so it just makes noise. Just wondering what we can measure and what we can't measure. Put those two there. And first of all, imagine if we spin it, there should be something there. You would think, wouldn't you? What do you think? We can get these to hang on. Yeah. Move it in here. I don't know what it's measuring. It's measuring nothing. Let's try it. Cool. We can get something out of it by just doing that. Nice. So you know that works. How about, I don't know if we can see the voltage on this. Show what this is. I had it on, I had it on that scale. Got her hooked up and just watch the blue line. One's negative, one's positive. But I don't know how to change that. The purple is just something that's been saved in there. I think it's auto ranging. Calibrate. Anyway, we can read something, so. Cool. Anyway, we're going to play with this some other time. It's a new toy I got. Do I know how to use it? No. That worked. I know I shut it off.